Just wanted to share another Jetour IDM that we've upgraded today. Big thank you to Jose for coming to us. He supplied all of parts, we just did a fitment for him. Let's have a look. As you can see, we did a step ladder, full roof rack, we did a glass angle protectors, all 4 doors. We did a glass vent insert, which is actually a total replacement, it's not stick on. And also we did a light bar for him, works perfectly. Another vent insert, vinyl covers, also fitted a fuel cap cover for him, and then a case. So click on the link on the description below. We are a fully fledged fitment center and we can help you with any of your Jetours. Give us a call today. Thank you.